Hello everyone, today we will be doing NCERT book questions of exercise 8.4. So the fifth question is, prove the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles. You know the acute angles that lie between 0 and 90 degree, for which the expressions are defined. That is, first part is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. So this we have to form 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. So you know cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta minus cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta whole square. Okay, so take the LCM, it will be sin theta, or you can write 1 minus cos theta whole square, or you can write like this, 1 minus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta. Yes, and here you can write sine square theta, or you can write like this, that is 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. Now here, as you know from the first identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So you can write it like this, 1 minus cos square theta from the first identity. So 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, and you can write it as 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta. That is a square minus b square is a minus b, a plus b. Okay, so from here you can see you can cancel this. So it will be 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. So this is your right hand side. So in this way you will be solving it. Now the second part is cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A. Okay, this we should get 2 sec. Okay, now here take the LCM, it will be 1 plus sin A cos A. So divided by 1 plus sin A, so it will be cos A, and multiply by cos A, so it will be cos square A, plus divide 1 plus sin A cos A by cos A, so it will be 1 plus sin A, and multiply by it, so it will be 1 plus sin A whole square. Now here cos square A plus, now you know the formula, a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Yes, by that formula 1 plus sine square A plus 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin A cos A. Okay, now you know from the first identity, that is cos square A plus sine square A is always 1. So here cos square A is there and sine square A is there. So cos square A plus sine square A is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin A cos A. So you can write 2 plus 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin A cos A, or you can write, take 2 common over here, so it will be 1 plus sin A, and it is 1 plus sin A cos A. Okay, now cancel this term. So what is left? 2 upon cos A, or you can say 1 upon cos A is secant. So it is 2 secant, and this is your right hand side. Now the third part is tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta. Okay, so here tan theta, you know what is tan theta? That is sin theta upon cos theta divided by 1 minus cot theta, means 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta, plus cot theta is your cos theta upon sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. So you can write sin theta upon cos theta, then divided by this, so take the LCM, it will be sin theta minus cos theta upon sin theta. So it will be sin theta upon sin theta minus cos theta, plus it is cos theta upon sin theta. Then take the LCM, it will be cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. So it will be cos theta upon cos theta minus sin theta. So it will be sin square theta divided by cos theta sin theta minus cos theta, plus it is cos square theta sin theta cos theta minus sin theta. Now take the LCM, so it will be cos theta sin theta and the term that is sin theta minus cos theta. And you can do one more step over here, or write it like this, that is sin square theta upon cos theta sin theta minus cos theta. Take minus sign over there, so it will be minus cos square theta upon sin theta minus cos theta. So from here you can do, you have taken the LCM this, then divide by this, so it will be sin theta. So you will be getting sin cube theta minus cos cube theta. Okay, now use the formula a cube minus b cube. So it will be sin theta minus cos theta sin square theta, then plus cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta. Okay, and divided by cos theta sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, so you can cancel this term, and by the first identity it will be 1 plus sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta sin theta. Okay, or you can write like this, 1 upon cos theta sin theta plus it will be 1. So 1 upon cos theta is your that is sec theta cosec theta plus 1, or you can write like this, 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. So this is your right hand side. So in this way you will solve it. Now the fourth part is 1 plus sec A upon sec A. Okay, so 1 plus 1 upon cos A upon 1 upon cos A. So it is, take the LCM, cos A plus 1 upon cos A, then divided by 1 upon cos A, so it will be cos A. Okay, so cancel this, you are having cos A plus 1. Now in the denominator you are getting 1 minus cos A. So what you will be doing, just 1 minus multiply by in the numerator and denominator by 1 minus cos A. So you will be getting, that is a plus b and a minus b. That is a square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. So by that you can write, that is 1 plus cos A and 1 minus cos A is 1 minus cos square A upon 1 minus cos A. And by the first identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So you can write like this, it is to be sin square A 1 minus cos A. And this is your right hand side. Now the fifth part is cos A minus sin A plus 1. It is given cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1. So now you can see, you want to, you will be having the value cosec A and cot A. So how you will be getting cot over here? When you will be dividing by cos by sin, you will get cot. So divide by sin A. Divide by sin A in numerator and denominator. So it will be cos A upon sin A minus sin A upon sin A plus 1 upon sin A divided by cos A upon sin A minus, plus sin A upon sin A minus 1 upon sin A. So this will be 1. So you can write cot A minus 1 plus, that is cosec A upon cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Okay. Now you can write, like this, cot A plus cosec A minus, now you know the identity. They are saying using the identity 1 plus cot square is cosec square A. So instead of 1 you can write here cosec square A minus cot square A is 1. So use this identity. Now here you write cosec square A minus cot square A. Okay. And it is divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. That is, you can write here cot A plus cosec A minus, here a square minus b square, use that, cosec A minus cot A and cosec A plus cot A. Okay, divided by, you can write it like this, cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now you can take common, what you can take, cot A plus cosec A, cot A plus cosec A. Okay, so it will be here 1, it is left, minus this one we have taken cot A plus cosec A, so minus cosec A, and this minus minus will be plus, plus cot A. Okay, divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Yes, so you can cancel this term. So it is cot A plus cosec A. So this is your right hand side. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. Enjoy learning with Bhavna and press the bell icon for the newly updates.